Spread peanut butter on an empty toilet paper roll. You need to know this trick. Toilet paper is something everyone has at home, and the empty roll is just a piece of cardboard you usually throw away. This time, you'll turn it into something really useful. Take an empty toilet paper roll and make a small hole near the top of the cardboard. Then, take peanut butter and spread it evenly over the entire roll without missing any spots. The peanut butter creates a sticky layer that will hold everything in place. Now take a mix of bird seeds, pour them onto a tray, and roll the cardboard tube in them until it's completely covered. Finally, cut a piece of string and thread it through the hole. Hang the finished feeder on a tree, which is the perfect place for birds to find a tasty meal. It's a great way to help birds find food. Try it yourself and see how quickly your tree becomes a favorite spot for bird visits.
A well-placed roll under the board is a sign for someone who wants to use the restroom. Pay attention to it before you sit down. It's a discreet way to convey important information. It will save trouble for the next person who wants to use it. If you notice that the toilet paper has run out, take an empty roll and place it vertically under the board. This will indicate that there is no more paper in this restroom. The next person in line will quickly notice that something is wrong. They can choose another stall or get a new roll of paper.
Don't throw away the empty paper towel roll. Put a garbage bag in it, and you won't regret it. When you finish a roll of paper towels, you usually throw away the empty cardboard tube. But not after seeing this. Such a roll has a practical use. Today I'll show you a trick. Place the empty roll on the counter. Take scissors or a utility knife and cut a narrow longitudinal slit in it. Not too large, roughly like the one in the video. Now, check your trash can. When it's full, you take out the bag. Then, usually like me, you search for trash bags to put another one in the bin. But you can put trash bags inside the paper towel roll. The whole roll of bags will fit. Just pull the end of one bag through the slit in the cardboard roll. Now, place this roll at the bottom of the trash can. When you take out a full garbage bag, simply pull out another bag from the roll. Tear it off and place it in the trash can. You don't need to remove the roll with the bags. Its place should be at the bottom of the trash can. This way, you'll never search for new trash bags again. Mold has appeared in your house? You can quickly remove it with a super effective spray. This homemade product always works. Thanks to it, many people got rid of mold once and for all. Today I will show you the recipe for this spray. Before you use it, let me tell you one more thing. Or rather, the hidden function of one thing. If you do not ventilate your apartment, the lack of air circulation favors the development of mold and fungi. If you don't have air vents, unseal the windows. The handle in most plastic windows has an additional function. In addition to opening and tilting the window, you can unseal it. Position the handle diagonally, at an angle. Additionally, always turn on the absorber when cooking. Then steam will not settle on the walls and ceiling in the kitchen. However, the most important thing is always good air circulation in the bathroom. This is where you most often need to remove mold from tiles, in the shower or bathtub. Many people have to use home spray in the bathroom. To prepare it, prepare 3 products. The first is vinegar. It has long been successfully used to combat mold and fungi. The second product is hydrogen peroxide. You can buy it at any pharmacy. It also effectively removes mold. However, vinegar combined with hydrogen peroxide becomes much more powerful. Use them in equal amounts. Pour the mixture into a large or small bottle and spray it on the mold areas. Add a dozen or so drops of tea tree oil to them. Now, no mold has a chance. Leave the preparation on the mold for several days. Then, wash off any mold remnants. Be sure to throw away the cloths and brushes you used to clean and remove mold, and that's it. If you did everything correctly, the mold will disappear. From now on, you will always know how to remove it. Is cold air coming through your windows? Switch to winter mode, and your home will feel warmer while saving on bills. A hidden screw in the window frame allows you to change the setting from summer to winter mode. Not many people know that this should be done twice a year, once in summer and once in winter. Grab a pair of pliers or a special window key. The screw responsible for this change moves when you press the window handle. It controls how tightly the window sash presses against the frame. Upon closer inspection, you'll notice that one side of the screw is longer than the other, marked with a large dot. You can adjust it with pliers or a special key. The screws may vary in shape depending on the window manufacturer and are hidden not just on one side, but also on the top and bottom frames. How do you change your window from summer to winter mode? Grab the screw with pliers and turn the largest dot toward the window frame. This increases the seal's pressure, stopping airflow. Cold drafts will no longer sneak into your home through gaps. While it's a small detail, over the course of the heating season, you'll notice a big difference. Did you know windows have different modes? Have you already switched yours to winter mode? 5 winter hacks you need to know. Cut a pool noodle lengthwise and open it up. Lift the windshield wiper, place the noodle over it, then lower the wiper back down. Do the same with the other wiper. This prevents the wipers from freezing to the windshield. In the morning, just remove the noodle and you're good to go. Next, take a zip-top bag and open it. Slip it over the side mirror and secure it with a rubber band. Do the same for the other mirror. The bag protects your mirrors from snow and frost. Remove the bags and enjoy mirrors ready for driving. Always keep a piece of cardboard in your trunk. Place it under the front wheels. The cardboard increases traction and helps you move off on snow or ice. 1 tablespoon is all you need, and you can forget about scraping your windshield in the morning. Cold mornings can be really unpleasant, and clearing ice off the glass often takes way too long. Instead of buying an expensive de-icer, you can make your own. Pour 1 cup of alcohol into a tall container. It melts ice fast and boosts the whole mixture. Then add half a cup of white vinegar. Vinegar not only enhances the effect of the alcohol but also lowers the freezing point, helping the ice melt faster and preventing a new layer from forming. Add half a cup of boiled water to get the right consistency. Now add 1 tablespoon of a secret, very important ingredient. It forms a protective layer and slows down refreezing. Add a tablespoon of dish soap to help the mixture spread evenly. A few drops of essential oil will give it a pleasant scent, so it's effective and nice to use. Once mixed, pour everything into a spray bottle, close it and shake well. Spray it over the frosted windshield, and the ice will disappear within moments, leaving the glass perfectly clear. The secret ingredient is glycerin, thanks to which you can finally forget what morning scraping feels like. I don't waste time in the morning defrosting my car windows. At night, I spread a towel over the glass. The towel traps the moisture, so ice doesn't form, and the windows stay clear and ready to drive in the morning.